Hi everybody, it's Adam, and I got my friend Jeff the Corn Cob, and me, Mr. Dino! I see you there, Mr. Dino. How are you, buddy? I'm good. Hello, everybody. Hello. You guys, it's core word time. All right, Jeff, you're pretty big. You need to lay down and let Mr. Dino do the teaching today. Yes, I'm a teacher. Hello, everybody. Hello. Okay, today the core word is why. Everybody look at the question mark. Why? Good job, Mr. Dino. Why asks a question. Or it wonders. You're right, it does wonder, or it seeks an answer. When you ask why, you are trying to figure out why does it do that? How does it go that fast? Why am I a dino? You're not a dino. I'm sorry. Why are you a dino and me a human? Those are great questions to ask, and that is a part of why. Do you want to practice? Yes! Why are my arms so little? Well, you are a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or a T-Rex. Yes, that's me. And Tyrannosaurus Rexes had really short arms. But I have a very big tail. You do have a very big tail. And very big feet. You're right. And big teeth. Oh. You do have very big teeth. You know what? I don't know why you have those different features, but it's different from other dinosaurs, isn't it? Yes, some of them had big long necks. I do not have a big neck. You're right. I do not have a big neck either. My neck is short. And I don't have a tail either. What? No tail? No tail. And why do you have all that hair on your face? I'm a human, and humans sometimes grow hair on their face. So I have hair on my face. I do not have any hair on my face, and I don't know why. What a great question. You know what? I don't know that answer either. Some answers we do know. Other answers we do not know. You're right. So I don't know some of those questions, but it's okay to ask them. And sometimes Google might know, Mom and Dad might know, teachers might know, and sometimes we might find out all by ourselves. It is good to ask the question, why? Okay, did everyone understand the core word why? I think they do. Thanks for being here, kids, and thanks for asking and thinking about the core word, why? It's a question! You got it. Why is a question. Good job.